God, oh my God.
This is a herd of goats and 2 dogs that are on my property. We have no idea where they are from.
Where are you guys from?